Turkey has once again demonstrated its ambition to strengthen its national defense industry by launching a new generation of combat helicopters, claimed to be among the most advanced in their class. This launch is not merely a technological showcase, but a symbol of significant progress in military independence and domestic engineering capabilities. This latest combat helicopter was developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries, TAI, a company that has been at the forefront of Turkish defense innovation for the past few years. The project is the result of significant investment in research and development, as well as collaboration between local engineers and various technological institutions. This new generation helicopter is designed incorporating cutting-edge technology, including a fully digital avionics system, limited stealth capabilities, and the integration of artificial intelligence to assist pilots in descent. The cockpit features a multifunctional digital display, facilitating navigation and real-time system monitoring. This helicopter's assembly line combines high technology, skilled labor, and an efficient production management system. The process begins with the fabrication of key components such as the fuselage rotors and avionics system. These components are manufactured modularly to facilitate integration. At the TAI facility in Ankara, each component is inspected to stringent quality standards before entering the main assembly phase. The next stage is system integration, where various subsystems such as the engine, flight control system, sensors, and weapons are installed. The engine used in the T-129 attack, for example, is the LHTECCTS 8004A, which provides high thrust and fuel efficiency. Modern avionics systems enable pilots to conduct day and night operations with a high degree of accuracy. In addition, this helicopter is equipped with modern weapons systems, ranging from air-to-ground missiles and guided rockets to automatic machine guns. These capabilities make it highly effective for a variety of missions, including ground attack, close air support, and armed reconnaissance operations. This helicopter is claimed to have superior performance compared to previous generations. Maximum speed, cruising range, and battlefield survivability were key focuses in its development. Its self-protection system was also enhanced, including missile warning sensors and electronic countermeasures to evade enemy attacks. Turkey's move to launch this helicopter is part of a broader strategy to reduce its dependence on imported defense equipment. For years, Turkey has faced various restrictions on purchasing weapons from other countries, prompting the government to accelerate the development of domestic technology. One crucial aspect of the assembly line is testing. Each assembled helicopter must undergo a series of tests, from static tests to flight tests. These tests aim to ensure that all systems function properly and meet established safety and performance standards. This process involves experienced engineers, technicians, and test pilots. Furthermore, Turkey is also developing advanced weapons systems to equip these helicopters. Laser-guided rockets, anti-tank missiles, and automatic machine guns are part of the arsenal, which can be tailored to specific missions. The integration of these weapon systems is carried out with high precision to avoid disrupting the helicopter's balance and aerodynamics. The success of assembling these attack helicopters is due to the support of the Turkish government, including industrial policies and substantial investment in research and development. President Recep Tayyip Erdogan has actively promoted self-reliance in the defense industry as part of his national vision. This is evident in the increased defense budget and support for local companies. Turkey has also begun exporting its attack helicopters to various countries, making it a significant new player in the global market. Countries such as the Philippines and Pakistan have shown interest in these products. These exports not only increase state revenue, but also strengthen diplomatic relations and military cooperation. With the arrival of this helicopter, Turkey further strengthens its position as a key player in the global defense industry. It is also planned to export this product to various friendly countries, opening up economic opportunities while expanding its geopolitical influence. The capability to operate at night and in adverse weather conditions is a significant added value. With advanced sensor technology and infrared cameras, this helicopter can still carry out missions effectively without being hampered by limited visibility. The launch of this latest generation of combat helicopters has received widespread attention from the international community. Many analysts believe this step demonstrates Turkey's seriousness in building a self-sufficient and modern military force. Some countries see it as an opportunity for cooperation, while others are monitoring this development more cautiously. This is understandable, given that military technology is always closely linked to the balance of power at the global level. The success of this project paves the way for the development of other technologies in the future. including next-generation fighter jets and more advanced unmanned systems. Turkey appears to be aiming to become not only a technology user, but also a competitive producer in the global market. With government support, continued investment, and competent human resources, the Turkish aerospace industry is predicted to continue its rapid growth. This latest generation combat helicopter is clear evidence that the country is on the path to self-reliance in defense technology. Turkey's launch of this latest generation combat helicopter represents a significant milestone in its defense industry. With its advanced technology, high performance, and significant export potential, this helicopter not only strengthens the Turkish military but also elevates the country's standing on the global stage. Amidst increasingly fierce competition in military technology, this move demonstrates that innovation and self-reliance are key to survival and growth. Turkey is no longer simply a consumer of technology, but an active player ready to compete globally.